Hi folks, I'm Aaron, the winemaker at Three Brothers, here to tell you 5 things that you did not know about our White Merlot. Our White Merlot is a throwback to one of our original wines that we made when we first opened. It's made from Merlot, even though it's white. This is the proper way to unscrew a bottle of White Merlot. Another thing about the White Merlot is it's made from red grapes that we decided to turn into a white wine. One of my favorite things about the White Merlot is that even though it is a white wine, it has these wonderful, lovely nuances that you will still find in a red Merlot. Those being strawberry, a little blueberry, and a soupçon of cassis. The White Merlot aromatics are also pleasantly surprising. Peaches, nectarines, and happiness. What a wonderful throwback. Cheers. We're also bringing the White Merlot back to celebrate our 17th year as a winery in the Finger Lakes, bringing you fun, pleasurable experiences every time you visit. And even when you're not here, you can bring it along for another experience on your own.